I fucking bought this thing. Like, it just hits me with like this unethical urge of, oh my god, what have you fucking done, you fool? You know what I mean? Starts right up really easily. Oh, hold on, I can fix that. There we go, running nice and smooth now. Fine, because remember when we got there, I went, the cars are warm. It warmed up both cars. That car actually starts really well. Like 100%, the GTS is fine. This one, driving this back would have been scary. I'm pretty sure it would have made it though, honestly.
I don't think it would have made it.
Really?
No.
Why? Oh, well, we would have got pulled over.
Yeah.
Without a doubt. No. Okay, we can turn it off with a screwdriver. I could literally go, hey Brian, can you drop this off for me? Turn the car on for you, and you can drive it somewhere. Stop the car, and I have to be the one to save it. Should have some of that on that side, the way it's laying.
It's probably a bunch of gunked up shit.
Still rock. Reveal your work.
My labor.
Oh, fuck, dude. That's so much better. Oh my god, that's actually clear. What the fuck? You did it way better.
I told you, man. It's
The artist's hands.
It's the history of the paint shop. the paint shop in the
Paint shop in
family.
the family is like...
Whoa, that's actually... Whoa.
It's so smooth now.
You want me to do the other side?
I don't think the camera picked that up. What the fuck? Yo, I think you just need to polish this side then. Alright, YouTube. Shut up. Listen, this is a shifter for a 8.6. So the problem with this one is, as you can see, it goes into gear and it still feels like it's a neutral. This is second, neutral. Third, neutral. Fourth, neutral. Fifth, fucking even more neutral. And reverse, which I sometimes can't feel it click into reverse when the car starts because it's very violent. Like it'll go like here, if you see. This isn't in reverse. It has to be all the way back here. It kind of pops itself out. What I'm hoping is it's just inside the this casing. There's going to be the shifter rebuild. I'm hoping that's all it is, not the transmission shifter linkage or anything like that, which normally isn't. Just, you know. Oh, there we go. Got that out. That's a tech screw. That is not supposed to be there. That's more body work in the future I have to deal with. So I'm pretty sure I can't get the main thing. So I could have bought the bottom bushing thing and called it done, which is this. This is normally what goes bad. But I bought this kit, which had this, the shift lever boot, which goes here, under here. And that is completely, this isn't that cut, right? This is an OG part too. Nope, that's a solid unit. So I paid like an extra $30 just for this. It's like a genuine Toyota part. And I'm like, yeah, I'll replace it. And it looks like whoever worked on this, don't think it was the last owner, because I have no idea if he even worked on this car. apparently just sealed this entire shifter. So you can't split it.
Oh my god.
Krusty the Crustola. I don't think I need to take this off then, so I can just put this back on. Oh, well, no, actually, I need to take this off because there's a seal that I can put there.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at that. I would, like, take it out of this interior to clean it, but realistically, this interior is so foul. I've been trying to find someone to make carpet because, like, the Civic, I can find a company that will custom make me the carpet from the Type R type shit. Like, I don't want that. I just want, like, a super nice, thick carpet so it's
just
quiet.
Do the bus seats.
The bus seats on what?
On this.
The, like, plastic bus seats?
No, like public transportation carpet.
Oh,
You
like
remember
use
from,
that?
Like, the 90s, like what they used to look like?
If we can find it, I will just cut it out and we'll just put it in. Got our new shifter installed. It's a Frosties Nuts. Ah! Nuts. Got it! Everyone knows Diet Root Beer's faster. You know, just a standard shifter. It's supposed to have grease in it. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to. But this shouldn't have any way of getting into the transmission, and if it did, fucking who cares? Not this guy. I stopped caring the second I bought this fucking thing. Alright, now we can go ahead and continue with the seal kit. It should have, well, it has a boot, that's fine. It should have, there it is, this gasket here. This is the gasket someone, I think he cuts these himself, I'm assuming. That's perfect. Let's put that there. Nice and sealed. There we go. And I need to find the bolts for this. One of them was longer than the other. So I gotta figure that out too. Okay. Here we go. Whoops. There we go. Okay. Going back into here, there should be another envelope. This envelope has the actual seals for the shifter, which should be 3, which is right here. So, these two are on this shifter right here, and that is off frame. This goes to the bottom of here, which is right here, as you see. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That looked actually pretty good. We're just gonna replace it anyway. Fuck it, why not? Alright, boys. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Alright, so this shifter, let me see if I could figure out what the fuck is going on here. So we're supposed to hammer this in to here. I don't have a hammer or needs of one, so I'm just gonna try to. Nope. I have gamer fingers, so maybe I can just. Oh god, that actually worked, but the grease just got squirted into my hand.
Oh my god.
Okay, now we gotta do this. So we have to like invert this. Oh, I just stabbed myself with this. I thought this would be the easiest thing to do. This is the most annoying. Like, cause, I mean, other than the window mirror thing, you know, that sucks, but I'm just gonna flip this upside down, cause that's what it does. So the whole thing is I gotta get the clip, which I did not lose, thankfully. Gotta insert this inside. Okay, that's in. Holy shit, that's like
Wow.
10 times better. Oh my god, that actually makes me slightly happier about this car. Put the shifter boot on. It is ripped, but it should protect it at least a bit. And I gotta tighten it up, and that's it. But there you go. That goes there. Like that. Any of these bolts? Maybe we could find a bolt in here.
It fits that?
Yes, sir.
Ours now.
Look, there's the 2. They're all in the door. There's the 4. Oh my god, we're so gluing these on the side. If you don't think I'm not, I'm doing it. Fuck Nissan. I'm a Toyota guy now. I'm a Toyota main.
But Nissan at heart.
Nissan. Yeah. I would say I would when I was thinking about these cars, I really wanted a 240 just cuz I really like the S14s. Just to hold the rubber down, but I can't find the right. These are not the right bolts. They're too long. I'll have to find some. I should be able to. Nothing else like this size in that one, huh? That one, like
size?
really, really small, like that. Sorry.
The only other one is like a really thick one.
All right, that's fine then. I'll figure it out one day. Now we just gotta put this bad boy back on. Here we go. Tech screws. Screwdriver.
Oh, that's what. Yeah, that's what I overheard you when I was polishing back there.
Yeah.
These are tech screws.
These aren't supposed to be here. I have the glove box. Damn, that actually feels really good though. Not adding that in. Honestly, feel like this car was rushed to get the 4H in it, and I'm pretty sure he bought it like this, and he just didn't give a shit, you know?
Maybe he realized, oh god,
Yeah.
the guy that had it before me fucked it up or did a bunch of shit.
I don't know. It could have been him, but I don't think so. I don't know if he does I don't think he really works on his cars. I think he said it too. He kind of like.
Well, he said he had a guy. He probably wanted to do a more proper build.
Yeah,
Like,
maybe.
Maybe this was like too fucking ratchet for him or some shit. That he was like, I gotta get rid of these things.
The coupe is lovely though. Oh my god. Becky, look at her. Shit. Let's go one more turn. Oh yeah, it needs a short throw anyway. Oh my god, look at the throw. It's like fucking 7 feet, but I can tell when I'm in neutral now. Like, that's neutral, you know? Alright, we just gotta do the taillights.